Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to convert MBR to GPT during Windows installation. Change the first boot sequence is CD-ROM or any other removable device. Save configuration and exit. Press any key to boot CD drive. Select your language. Click Next. Click Repair the computer. Click Troubleshoot. Click Command Prompt. Type disk part in command window. Type list space disk. Type select disk 0. Disk 0 is selected. Type clean. Type convert space GPT. Type exit, exit from disk part. Type another exit, exit from command window. Click, turn off your PC. Select your language. Click Install now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.